Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making the amp safe and ready. Power down, unplug, and bleed large capacitors so you will not get shocked. Once done, use a multimeter to verify rails and fuses and inspect jacks and cables for corrosion or loose shields. Make sure to document DC offsets at output. This tells you if bias or DC leakage is present. Then connect a known 1 kHz signal source at low level so you can follow the noise path in the next steps. You now trace the signal and the noise with your scope or careful listening. Start at the input and work stage by stage. If the noise disappears when you disconnect the input or preamp, the problem is upstream. Once located, examine decoupling capacitors and bias resistors because failing caps or wrong resistor values generate hiss or hum. Reflow suspect solder joints and replace electrolytic caps with low ESR parts. Also check for oscillation by probing for unexpected high-frequency energy at amplifier outputs. You complete repairs by replacing failed components, reflowing joints, and securing connectors, then reassemble and tighten chassis to improve shielding. Once reconnected, verify proper grounding and use shielded wiring for sensitive inputs. Make sure bias and idle currents are within spec and run a full signal-to-noise check at operational levels. Finally, if residual noise persists, test the amp on an isolated or battery supply to determine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.